Summer Film Mentorship Program here at Cathedral gives students the opportunity to see a professionally run set while getting involved in parts and pieces in ways that they wouldn't do in the classroom. And it opens up their minds to see what's possible in the filmmaking realm for them.
I'm Jack Blankenship and I am graduating in 2028. Basically my job on the set has been second AC, so I have been working with the slate and also setting up the camera. I'll usually be changing lenses and also moving the camera around the scene, making sure everything's set up, making sure it's level, and a little bit of adjustments with lighting, but that's basically been my job.
My name is Julieta. I have been an actor on stage, so I'm portraying Fate. I've been doing stage theater like my entire time in high school, and this was an opportunity that I never would have thought, like, one, that I would have loved, and like two, it made me look at both stage acting and film acting differently, and I realized that I really like film acting. I never would have noticed that without this opportunity.
So my name is Andrew Martinez, and predominantly on set I was working as the first AC. And so as the AC, I was running the camera, pulling the focus, setting up the dolly, tripod, and kind of just helping out with all of the camera shots.
My name is Ryan Andrzejewski and I am the assistant director. I handle emails, I send out like the call times, I handle meals, make sure everyone's where they need to be, when they need to be. I also take on wardrobe. Just getting them together and making sure the actors are in the appropriate wardrobe for each scene. I hop into any other role that I'm needed in, and it's just such a lovely experience to be on set.
I'm Carson Tenbrook, and my main role on the set was gaffing, handling lighting. It was an amazing opportunity to work with the gaffer we had on set, George Jack. He was an amazing mentor, taught me a lot, and there's so much nuance to a job like gaffing that, I'm definitely very glad that he was here.
My name is George Jack, and the role that I took on for the film Shadow Grade was gaffer. In terms of working with student filmmakers, I'm always trying to help those who are trying to learn the craft, because I myself didn't really have that mentorship, especially in high school. It's crazy to me to see that there's a program that really supports filmmaking, the arts in general, but filmmaking for sure, in high school.
It's something really neat to see alumni come back, work with current students, get involved in showing them how a professional film set is run. Students from all ages, freshmen, sophomore, junior, seniors, they get the chance to work with each other and these alumni and other professionals in the industry to see how a set is run and to see how filmmaking is done professionally.
My name is Elvis Spotnick, and mostly I've been doing script supervisor. However, I've also done set decoration and lighting, but mostly just as a grip.
My name is Bentley, and my job on set is audio mixer and sound. Some things that job entails are I have to make sure that everyone gets mic'd up, have to balance out all the audio, and then be there on set while we shoot and make sure I get everyone's lines and all the background noise and everything that is supposed to be in the shot. And then at the end of the night, batch all the audio and label it and make sure it's all backed up and secured.
My name is Vaughn Stenjum and I'm class of 2025. I was script supervisor the first day and then I've been assistant sound. So essentially I've been running the boom and I've been helping Bentley batch all the audio after the fact.
Yeah, this group of students has been amazing. I mean, I have developed some kind of friendship with all of them, and they've all made me very happy to clock in every day, and despite the long hours, despite the hard work, carrying stuff around, it's all fun, it's all worth it. I had to leave production for the third week because I had football starting up, and when I heard that, we're shooting a scene with the football team, we're getting all the guys together, and you guys are gonna be in the movie. It was awesome because I'm starting to miss the set and everything, and it was so great seeing everyone I had worked on set with come back. It was like a crossover episode. I got my brothers on the team, and I had my friends from set, and great to see Mr. Ray again, great to see George again, and all the amazing students that I was working with, and it was also super cool to show my teammates, what I've been working on, and the legit production that we have going on.
I'm Sam Aliotto, and I am an assistant camera, and I do set deck too. Assistant camera helps with the camera movement. You can set up camera, you can do focus, you can just help change lenses. It's a lot of stuff. But and then set decoration, you help design the set, you help build it and take it down, and you make sure everything goes back to where it was.
My name's Cheyenne, and I am the script supervisor on the set. What interested me in this program was the opportunity that I'd get real-time experience working on a set that normally a high schooler wouldn't be able to do.
I think working with students over the summer, especially those that aren't my grade, has like introduced me to new people, and like especially like younger grades, you know? So now when I'm like on campus next year, I know that I have like new friends I could talk to, and like people who know different things that I don't know, and like we help each other learn.
Camera speed, color.
Scene 11, Carne Asada, take 2.
So many students need to be involved for this to actually like work, and when they collaborate well and they mesh, it actually makes everything so much better.
I think it's been really cool working with students on a professional film set, especially my group of ACs. We have a good team. There's about 4 of us, and it's cool. Like as the first AC, I've kind of grown in leadership too, telling them like what to do and like just working and operating as a team.
I've learned a bunch this summer through just my experience on the set. I've really just enjoyed the time that I've been able to spend there, and I think it's just been really cool just to be able to work on a functioning film set.
Working on this project, it's been a lot, but it's been a lot of fun. Got to work with a whole bunch of fun people who are all very eager to learn.
If there was one thing that I could say to someone who's considering to join the film program, I'd probably just say just do it. It's an amazing program. It's super fun to be around. One thing that I really took away that I wasn't able to get at just from the school year class is we've really been able to focus in on some of the more detailed stuff that goes on the film set, like working with more high-tech cameras and working with actually professional lighting.
Students are a huge part of the making of this thing. It's not that they're just hanging out. They're actually involved, hands-on, getting things done and getting mentored in the program.
I would highly recommend joining this program. I mean, the long hours might be intimidating. You might think, oh, I want to do something else in my summer. I want to be with my friends, want to do this, whatever. It is an amazing opportunity. You'll feel so proud of yourself. You'll feel so fulfilled. The hours go by like it's nothing. You're gonna make great friends on set. You're gonna interact with, actors, professionals, all this. So if you have any interest in filmmaking whatsoever, I couldn't recommend a better opportunity than coming on this set.
A lot of good times to be had. So show up with your sleeves rolled up, positive attitude, and ready to meet and some new great friends and learn a lot about film.
Scene 46, alligator, take 1.
Guys, we made a movie.
Yeah!
Heck yeah! That is a wrap on Shadow Green.